The Samson Airline 77 is the most accurate and noise-canceling wireless microphone we have ever tested. The Airline 77's wireless receiver gives you the dropout-free reassurance of a true diversity system. The CR77 constantly polls its two receivers and locks onto the strongest signal. The CR77 is rugged, durable, and crystal clear with an impressive range. It brings you sophisticated wireless technology at a great price. One of the biggest problems end users have with Naturally Speaking is maintaining a steady volume level. When you run the audio setup wizard, you preset your volume input level, but unfortunately most people read at a lower volume when dictating in real-world stop-and-go free-form dictation. End users also have a tendency to raise their voice when they become frustrated. The Airline 77's built-in noise gate goes a long way in leveling out these types of problems. If you're a physician working on a patient note or an attorney working on a brief, time is not your friend. If you require the highest possible accuracy, efficiency, serious noise cancellation, and longer battery life, the Samson Airline 77 is the only way to go. I use the Samson Airline 77 because every second I have to spend correcting my dictation is time I have to take away from another project. We strongly recommend adding a USB sound card to the Airline 77 for peak accuracy. Also note the manufacturer's supplied connection wire will not fit into a USB sound card or an integrated PC sound card. As you can see from our microphone comparison chart, the Airline 77 received a 10 for accuracy, a 10 for noise cancellation, a 9 for comfort, and a 10 as an overall rating. In summary, the Airline 77 has a noise gate to even out input and eliminate sharp peaks and drops in volume levels, resulting in higher speech recognition accuracy, and independent on-off and mute switches. It can be used for up to 14 hours continuously from one single alkaline battery. The CR77 receiver offers true diversity reliability. It has a 1-year warranty. A USB sound card is recommended. It has superior noise cancellation, superior accuracy, and a 300-foot range. When you buy from NoBrainer.com, you'll receive our No-Brainer exclusive Samson Airline 77 speech recognition user guide, the necessary adapter plug, and a neoprene zippered carry bag. Recommended add-ons are a AAA battery charger and batteries, and a USB sound card. The Airline Micro wireless earset system utilizes the latest in lithium-ion battery technology and small high-quality audio and RF components to bring convenience to a new level. The result is a very small unit that can definitely be defined as portable. The microphone is meant to be worn off the left side of your head. It can be worn off the right side, but the volume, mute, and power controls will not be easily accessible. The Airline Micro has a comfortable design that stays in position after placement. The Airline Micro comes with 2 extra windscreens, receiver, USB, and AC chargers. The manufacturer's cable will not plug into a USB sound card or integrated PC sound card, but we add an adapter to remedy this issue. The Micro can be charged through a USB port and worn while charging. We strongly recommend adding a USB sound card for peak accuracy with speech recognition applications. We include setup instructions for Dragon Naturally Speaking and the necessary 3.5mm adapter. On our microphone comparison chart, the Micro received an 8 for noise cancellation, a 9 for comfort, a 9.7 for accuracy, and a 9 as an overall rating. Our summary of the Airline Micro: it's designed to be worn on the left side of the head. The microphone boom is easy to position. A USB sound card is recommended for speech recognition applications. The Micro works very well with Naturally Speaking, Windows speech recognition, and other speech recognition applications. The Micro is recommended for use in quieter environments. Speech recognition accuracy is very good. The Micro is recommended for audio presentations. It has a comfortable design that stays in position after placement. It can be charged with a USB port or AC outlet. It can be worn while charging. It can be used on a Mac with a USB sound card, and it has a mute button and volume controls in the headset. Samson Stage 55 is a very economical wireless microphone system that comes with a receiver, belt pack, SE10 microphone, AC charger, and cables. The SR55 receiver makes true diversity wireless technology available to everyone. This design houses two antennas and a receiver circuit in a single chassis. The advanced circuit design continuously scans RF signals from the two antennas and determines which one has the clearest and strongest reception, automatically and silently switching that signal to the receiver. The Stage 55 works well with all speech recognition applications, including Dragon Naturally Speaking and Windows Speech Recognition. The Stage 55 can also be used on Macintosh computers when adding a USB sound card. We also recommend adding a USB sound card for use with speech recognition applications. This unit does not come with the necessary 3.5mm plug, but we make the adaptation before shipping. The most unique feature of the Stage 55 is that you can use most any headset microphone, making it very customizable. These microphones include, but are not limited to, the Sennheiser ME3, Speechware Flexi Mic, Audio Technica Pro 8, or the No Brainer hands-free microphone. In summary, the Stage 55 is economical. We recommend adding a USB sound card for speech recognition applications. It has a 10-hour battery life with one 9-volt battery. Requires the use of a belt pack. Works very well with Dragon Naturally Speaking and Windows Speech Recognition. Customizable with most any headset microphone. High accuracy and noise cancellation with speech recognition applications.